Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to you video about my 1996 Ford F250 with the 7.3 Turbo Diesel Powerstroke. So, she's a pretty good one. I'm going to be doing something good today, as you can see. Got the blocks all up there, so I'm going to be taking something off. And that something, you need these tools, and here they are. Some nice, fresh, brand new tires on some 20-inch rims. Yeah, I went with the Wrangler Duratrax, the 35 1250 R20s. So they're looking pretty nice. Another inch bigger on the rear, because those are 33s, and on the front they are about 2 inches, because these are 305s, but they are pretty a weird design. So I'm gonna be switching those out. First, we're gonna be untightening the lug nuts a little bit with the breaker bar, and then we're gonna be jacking it up. So let's do this. There we go. Next, we'll jacket this up one side at a time. Okay, now enough, I guess. So let's try one of the new tires. Oh, pretty good. Just barely clears. Okay, got that one on. Just gotta torque it down, and then yeah, we gotta do that as we. Oh boy. Okay, we'll get started. Well, guys, I got them all on. and looking pretty good. A little bit of hassle getting them on because they're a pretty big tire, but I think it looked pretty good. Sits pretty high now. So yeah, that's how I changed my tires on my F250. Hope you guys enjoy. I know I'm going to drive around, enjoy these tires now. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. Bye.